Hello everybody, this is the JB Show. I am JB, and today, I am fostering baby kittens, and I think you guys all will want to see them. So, here is one of them. Meow! This is Bats. Say hi, Bats. Hi! What's this? And for some reason, they climbed on top of that thingy, and here's Pumpkin, who is enjoying it up here. Hey, it's a phone. I love phones. Everybody doesn't like the phone. Who knows why? Hey, what's this? I don't like phones. Do you guys want to get down? Do you guys want to get down? Yeah, I think you do. I think you do. Do you want to get down? Yep, you just got down. Now, I wonder where the other one is. Oh, here it is. Meow, 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 meow. Meow. And this is Fluffy. Pumpkin is the orange one. The black one is Bats. And this one, the gray one, is Fluffy. Say hi, Fluffy. Fluffy always has the widest eyes. But she's also a runt, and so, hey, don't run away from me like that. They're only like nearly 8 weeks old. They're already so good at doing so. They can even climb up the stairs if they want to. Watch. Oh, what's Fluffy gonna do? Do you want to climb up the stairs, or do you want to be a YouTube star? Do you want to climb up the stairs and to be a YouTube star? I don't want to be a YouTube star. Okay, bye-bye. But these guys are the star of the show. They're down there, but you can't see them.